Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you what makes tomatoes split on the vine. Here's a clip from the show. One of the things I want to show you is, this is our Jubilee, is how small the cracking is on these tomatoes. They are really holding in there. I got this one's got a little bit of a crack here, but for the most part, they are not cracking, and that's something that we really work at to try different types of tomatoes in our garden, because we go from like 50 degrees to 100 degrees in a day, and that's pushing those fluids up and down that plant, and it splits the tomatoes open. So if I can find a variety that has very little or no splitting, I get pretty excited about that. So this one's going to go on the list of possibly being a production tomato for us. So I'm glad that we tried it this year, and that's pretty fun. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9 Week 22. If you'd like to watch the whole show and follow the tomato plants, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.